Hey guys, in this video I will show you Last Z Survival Shooter tips and tricks. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're diving into Last Z Survival Shooter in 2025, mastering the game is all about balancing strategic upgrades with skillful gameplay. One of the first things to improve is your movement and combat timing. In battles, especially during main story campaigns, focus on dodging zombies while carefully lining up your shots. The more efficiently you can move, the less damage you'll take, which becomes crucial in tougher levels. When you're not in combat, your priority should shift toward base development and research. Always upgrade your HQ and supporting buildings to unlock higher-level structures. Investing in research boosts your overall productivity, unlocks critical features, and accelerates your in-game progression. This foundation will allow you to gather more resources and advance faster. Another key area is optimizing your heroes and gear. Assign heroes to tasks based on their strengths, combat, resource gathering, or exploration. Upgrading them will unlock special abilities and boosts, which become vital as enemies grow stronger. Higher tier gear becomes available as you reach advanced stages, so consistent gameplay and upgrading are essential to access those tools and stay competitive. When it comes to resource gathering, use low-command heroes to send larger groups of troops at once. This allows for faster collection and efficiency. Also, make sure to participate in daily and weekly events like Full Birdness or Blue Loot, which offer high-value rewards such as diamonds, tickets, and fragments with minimal effort. Don't forget to unlock your daily task chests, as they can provide significant bonuses that free-to-play players especially benefit from. Joining an active alliance is also a smart move. Not only does it help with faster upgrades of alliance centers, but working with a strong group allows you to earn exclusive rewards and synergy boosts. Focus your resources on upgrading your top-performing hero, as a well-built core character can make a huge difference in battles. These tips should help you gain an edge and enjoy faster, smarter progress in Last Z Survival Shooter. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.